Hey YouTube, so in today's video we're going to do a price breakdown of my pretty fully upgraded 72 volt Sur Ron, and I'll keep a running tally in the top right hand corner over here, and we'll take a look at the total when we're done. Before we get started, just want to let you know there's a couple ways you guys can support my channel if you enjoy my content. Obviously clicking that subscribe button, liking and sharing my videos is helpful. Also, if you're in the market for a high powered e-bike, consider buying from me from my e-commerce store, mino-moto.com, link in the description. Right now we have a few bikes for sale. We have the Adamant Jet Armor. Just that's more of a full-size dirt bike. It's not really comparable to the Sur Ron, but I'm also selling the 2023 Sur Ron with the 38 amp hour battery, and then the Talaria Sting R. So if you're in the market, check them out. I think I have competitive prices. Shipping's free or included in the price that you see. Okay, well, let's get on with it. So first, this is a 2023 Sur Ron. I got the upgraded 38 amp hour battery. I got it from Unicycles for $4,500. I got free shipping at that time, so it was just $4,500 even. And the first upgrades I did was getting the BAC 4000. This is a Greenlight Engineering one. I also ordered their heatsink, and I got the Chai battery. I ordered those right away. Right when I ordered the bike, I ordered those three things. Like I said, the price for the bike is $4,500. The BAC 4000 was $893. The heatsink was an extra $153. That's pretty pricey for a heatsink, but I do like the way it looks. I mean, in my opinion, it's worth it. I think it does do a good job cooling it, and I think it actually sort of diverts a lot of the wind when you're riding towards the motor and helps keep that cool too, so it was a good buy. I also got the comfort seat from Unicycles. That cost $110. I got these upgraded, I think they're 3.5 inch riser bars from Flow Wheels. So I did buy the 12-inch Flow wheels, but I didn't include that in the price because I ended up selling them for the same price I bought them for, and I'm not running them now, so I'm not including them. But yeah, but this was, I think, $50 from Flow Wheels. So the pegs I got, these are just Amazon pegs. I actually like these pegs a lot. I bought another pair for this new bike I'm getting, but these were $36. You can see I got the upgraded brake pads here. So the stock ones, you know, they get a lot of flack, but actually I thought the stock ones were pretty good. They lasted me quite a while, but yeah, I got these upgraded ones. I think they cost me $32. Some things I bought together, so I don't have the itemized price, but I bought the chain and the sprocket together, and in total those were $91. I also bought these frame sliders here and these bark busters, these little guards here. I bought those together, and those were $68 combined. The mirrors were $20. I spent $60 for this upgraded headlight here. This red anodized red ignition cover I got for $43. These brake levers I got for $25 here, anodized red brake levers. These axle block chain adjusters here I got for $22 for these, $22 for these. The chain guard over here, this was $24. You can see I got some tire cleaner on it, and it's kind of screwed up the anodizing. But yeah, so be careful with these. And anything anodized you get, be careful with stuff like tire cleaner. The rotor guard here was $40. This red rotor guard was $40. This adjustable kickstand here was $54. So I got these peg extenders here to bring it down a couple inches. So the peg extenders I bought, the cat wants attention while I'm trying to make a video here. So I got the peg extenders the same time as this bar razor here, the stem razor, or whatever you want to call it. But together they cost $96. And I think that's all the parts. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. This bag I got for free. They sent it to me to do a review on it. I'm not going to include this phone holder thing. So the other major thing I did was I had the wheels. Oh, duh. So I had the Shinko 241s put on. I had the wheels powder coated along with the heat sink for my BAC 4000 and the skid plate. So in total, because We Coat did the powder coating for me, but they also gave me the tires and installed them. So it was $706 for the tires, and then the powder coating for the wheels, the heatsink, skid plate, and I think that should be it. Am I missing anything? Let's take a quick walk around here. Yeah, I think that's it. This comes to a ground total of $9,707. So that's actually really expensive. So that's what you can expect to pay, maybe around in between $8,000 and $10,000, depending on how much you customize your bike to get like a fully upgraded 72 volt Sur Ron. All right, guys. Hey, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out my store, supermoto.com, and I'll see you later.